I'm going to show you a couple of the birds I brought today, and I'd like you to ask me questions about them. This is an American kestrel. See how she bubbles her head? That's how she kind of hones in about what's going on in this world. I learned by just sitting down and watching the things they do. And I watched her swing her head back and forth. There she goes. Thank you. And I knew that that was not normal for this bird.
She's got to fly somewhere.
Yep. Well, she just, I didn't know what she needed. And I watched her, and then it dawned on me. And I said to the man, I said, she's a Stevie. And he said, I do not know what you're talking about. And I said, Stevie as in Stevie Wonder. Now I know the boys and girls will not know what that means, but she is blind. She cannot see. So could I put her back out in the wild?
No.
No, why not?
Because she can't look where she's going.
That, and mainly, she can't find her own food.
Good boy. You're a good boy.
Tyson, keep your voice down.
This is called a barred owl. B-A-R-R-E-D, not a barn owl, but a barred owl. He looks like he's gigantic. Actually, he'd look like a...
He's gigantic when he flies.
Yes, he is. What do you think? But look, I can take my finger and I can go that deep before I ever touch him. These are all feathers, so he's not really as big as he looks.
That's a lot of feathers you got.
Yes, he's got lots and lots of feathers. And they're layered. He's got feathers over feathers over feathers. And he starts out with this little fuzzy stuff way back in here. Can you see the fuzzy stuff?
Yeah.
Those are feathers. And then he starts getting all these other feathers. Yes.
How does he talk?
He has a hoot sound. Hoo, hoo, hoo.
I know that.
It's called Who Cooks for You? Who Cooks for You All? And I will call to him, and he calls to me, and we have a wilderness right behind the house, and the other barred owls come flying in. And it's not unusual in the spring of the year to stand in my backyard and see a barred owl, a barred owl, a barred owl, a barred owl, and he's screaming and I'm talking to them. I do not have all the answers. I learn every single day. I sit down sometimes and watch a bird do something and I think, I never dreamed they could do that, or something like that. But these books are great guides for you. So, you know, if you're really interested in animals and birds, look through these and read them because it tells you a lot. Probably even tells you some of them, what they eat, where they live, what their nests are like, how many babies they have. There's just so many things that are so important.